Hello friends, a very warm welcome to Exam Bay. Today we are going to discuss about the profile of income tax inspector, one of the most sought after profiles. Now as we all know that we are going to fill the preferences while during the document verification. Okay, so this video will help you to decide about income tax inspector. Okay, let's start. So this is a group B non-gazetted post. We all know that, and the basic pay is 44,900. According to 6 CPC, it used to come under 4,600 grade pay. And for details on salary and other perks and facilities for all the central government employees, you can watch this video. This will clear all your doubts about the salary, all the components of salary, all the details of salary, and the other perks and facilities. So this is one of the most sought after and most wanted posts offered by SSC, offered through SSC CGL exam, and in 2016 319 vacancies are there in total, out of which 205 vacancies are for unreserved candidates. Okay, so you can see, you can just feel the competition for this post, because this is one of the amongst the first choices of all the toppers. Now Chennai zone has maximum vacancies like every year, and I think most of us know the reason for that also, because every year Chennai zone vacancies, they remain vacant because most of the people, they are from north or let's say from west. They don't want to go to Tamil Nadu. Even if they join, some of them, they resign. So that's why there are a lot of backlog vacancies which comes every year. So if you want to be an income tax inspector, you can go and join Chennai zone, and Chennai zone will probably be open till rank 500 or 600. Okay, and if you are posted in south, for example Chennai, or somewhere in Kerala or in Bangalore, then to be posted in your favorable state, either you should wait for 3 to 4 years, or you should have a you should be having a valid reason in your support. If someone is dependable on you and he is sick, or he used to stay sick, this is a valid reason, but you need certificates and all the prescriptions. So if it is genuine, you can do that. Also vacancies should be there in your favorable state, and your head should comply. Your head of the department, or head of the, say, of your office, if you are in a commissionerate, the commissioner or the additional commissioner, he should cooperate with you. Normally these things are okay, and otherwise you have to wait for 3 to 4 years, or if you have some sort of jack. Okay, then transfers are not very frequent, so the job is quite stable in terms of mobility, or even if you, because you will be posted mostly in tier 1 and tier 2 cities, and in tier 1 cities there are more than one offices. Then if in case there are more than one offices, then most probably you will be transferred from one office to another office, or the most normal transfer are from one section to another section. Only in promotion, most the chances are that your city will be changed or your state will be changed, only on promotions. Okay, now work profile is divided into assessment post and a non-assessment post. Now what is an assessment post? Assessment post is your desk work. Okay, like income tax assessment and calculation. It can be an individual income tax, or corporate income tax, company income tax, or an NGO income tax, right? Then you can be a part of refunds team, okay, which calculate the refunds, which see after the refunds to be given to the taxpayers. Then TDS, Then or other any file work, like there's an administration department in every office, so you can be a part of administration also, where you have to see the work related to other employees or your office well-being. And there are some other departments, like there's a technical department in all the offices, the computers, where the computers are kept. And if you are well versed in IT, if you want to be a part of the IT department or computer this section, then you will be given a section, and chances are you will remain for most of the time. Your transfer will not be frequent, or your transfer will be, people will think twice to transfer you from that department, because this IT department, a few of the people are willing to go to the department, few of the people, they know the work. Okay, and if you are an engineer, it's natural that you may be better than the others. Okay, then we have an office in Bangalore for all the individual income tax assessment, a big office. If you are working in a corporate right now, or if you have worked in corporate, and if you have file your income tax returns, then the form which you used to send was to the Bangalore office. It's a big office. Okay, so there are many sections now. Okay, so non-assessment posts are your field posts, like raids or intelligence gathering, or investigation. So this is the thing. And periodically you will get the chance to work in an assessment post and a non-assessment post, so you will see both. And if you make a good rapport with the senior, and if you want to remain in an assessment post or remain in office, then you can have your say, or you can just tell your senior, and he will do the rest. Then sections are vigilance section, audit section, technical section, investigation section, then recovery, and all the other sections. Now when we come to the training, normally 2.5 months approx, the total duration, which consists of 60 days of training approx. Okay, so 60 days of training at one of the direct tax regional training institutes. There are many DT RTIs depending upon the region, and depending on the posting, on your posting, you will be allotted the respective DT RTIs. And after this induction training, there are certain refresher courses at the regular intervals. Okay, which is a thing which you will see later. Then the training will comprise of many subjects like tax laws, rules, then direct tax code, file work, noting and drafting, soft skills, then your computer, then your physical training, which is very important. Yoga is also there. Okay, then some guest lectures, field exercises. So training will be exciting, and training time will be your like a honeymoon period, which you will certainly enjoy. Okay, and RTIs are well equipped with all the modern amenities like Wi-Fi, internet, and the rooms I've seen in the hostels. They are very well maintained. They all have ACs and your LED TVs, and very good, well lit, have balconies, good, so you can spend your evenings. I mean, they are a good and good honeymoon period. Now coming on to promotions, you will join as an income tax inspector, and first promotion is ITO, income tax officer. In 4 to 6 years there will be a departmental exam, which comprises of 4 papers generally, as per the info I get. And some of them are objective and some of them are subjective in nature, not very tough, and you will be able to pass them, clear them in your first or second attempt at max. Then the second promotion is assistant commissioner of income tax. Okay, which you will get after your 10 to 12 years of experience in the job. Then deputy commissioner, then joint commissioner, then additional commissioner, commissioner of IT, who is the head. And if you join early in your age like 21, 22, then you will probably get to the post of joint commissioner. Most of the people, they get to the point of joint commissioner, which is a big gun, you know. And some of them, rarely people get to additional commissioner. And if you're going at a moderate age of 26, 27, 28, then you will probably go to deputy commissioner of income tax, or maybe joint commissioner. So promotion wise, it's a good job, not a very bad promotion wise. Okay. And facilities, all the facilities which all government employees are applicable to, like some places government quarters are easily available, some places government quarters, they are not very easily available, and all the other facilities. Plus there is a fixed petrol allowance per month, but you have to show the documents of the vehicle, and you have to make many calls while on field and in office, so you will get a SIM, so probably a BSNL SIM, and your phone bills are free, maybe to a certain extent. But these allowances, their limit will be extended when all the allowances of 7th pay commission will be announced. Okay, so this is good news, you can say. Then this is the end of the video. But before ending the video, I would like to say something, that income tax inspector should be amongst the first choice, amongst the top of the choices of your preference, if you want to be a part of this prestigious department. If your rank is good, this is one of the best departments through SSC CGL, which SSC CGL has to offer. If you want northern states, and if your rank is under top 100, 200, then you will get. And but if your rank is around 500, 600 and you want northern state, then please fill this post if you want to fill this post at the top at your own risk. Or otherwise, there are other good posts which you can fill in lieu of ITI, and you can easily get. Okay, now the job is exciting. You will get to do office work as well as the field work. Immense respect in public, immense respect outside your office as well as inside your office, because the income tax department, it directly concerns the public. Nobody knows what enforcement directorate is doing. Nobody knows what, many people, they don't know what excise is doing, what ME is doing, but everybody knows what an income tax inspector does, what an income tax inspector is. Money wise also, it's a good job. Okay, try to understand, and one can build his her future career in IT. There's no doubt in that. You will get to know so many things about tax, which is an exciting thing in finance. You will get to know the knowledge, you will get the knowledge of finance, and it's good for relaxed and well respected job. And now, if you have any particular question for ITI, please ask in comment section, or mail me at infoindio@gmail.com, and I will try to provide the answer very soon with the help of genuine sources from income tax department. Now, last bit, please subscribe to our channel, and your doubts and queries are always welcome. And this is the voice which you hear in every video. This is the face in these packs, and this picture is near Bangalore. So guys, with that, I would like to say goodbye, thank you, and all the very best.